Hi James, how are you? Hope you are good. I just thinking to draw you this video because I have saw some things with my Node-RED application. One of my Node-RED application is seem running fine, but when I visit the link, is not any application exists. It's happened more than one time, and then delete the application and have create a new one and so on, and keep show me running. Then when I visit the link, it show me nothing. Obviously, I can easy for me to delete it and recreate it, but sometime you know what I mean. Sometime maybe during the demo day or during the meeting day with Alto, I can't delete it in front of him and update and recreate it. I'm wondering what the reason make the application doesn't start or shut down. Like now, this my map 1990. It's Node-RED application. It seems fine running. Okay, when I go to visit it, it seems fine running. Visit a app URL, then show me the application doesn't exist. And let me do something as I do usually. Restart the app. Node-RED. That one. Yeah. Look, it's back to 0/1. I don't know why. Then restart the app. Also, I tried to stop it and start it, but it's the same. I'm wondering if you have any clue regarding that. Then let me set the link again. Then, so it's keep saying this is not exist. So do you have any idea why this happened? Maybe something wrong I did it with hibernation. So thank you, James. Hopefully I looking to hear from you. Thanks very much.